This video explains how you can create the kanban or the sprint boards in Jira software. So for that, log into Jira, and then on the left hand side you will see this star button. Just click on that, then click on view all boards. Once you do that, you will land on this board page or manage rapid views page, and in here you can see that it is showing the list of all the boards. You can also filter it from kanban, scrum, next-gen, like that. Or if you want to create a new board, just click here, and then you can choose scrum board or kanban board. So kanban board is used for a project where there is no defined scope, like maintenance kind of project, or it's especially used for the QA projects. And scrum is normally used for the project where there are sprints, and people have got specific defined goals, or the scope of the sprint is defined. In that type of project we use scrum. So you can just click on create a scrum board or create a kanban board, and then give next, click next. You can create a project, this board, from the existing project, or saved filter as well. So it's your choice. Here you can give the project name. So it will create a new project actually. If you want to create a board from existing project, you can click here, and then from here you can select the existing project. Similarly, you can create the kanban board as well. Just give the name and then location and all these details. Thanks for watching this video.